Hello and welcome, guys. Here I am again with a very awesome trick. So let's start. In JavaScript, we have a function like this. You can name any with any as per you need. And here the age you see the if else comparison. If age is greater than equal to 18, then you are returning true. And this function is basically for checking the where provided age is adult or not. So this is giving the correct output. If you see, I have passed here the 18. You see in console it is returning 18. And if you pass 16, it will be returning false. Okay. So now in this video, we will try to optimize this one. So the first optimization can be made if you have to write only single line of code on the condition. You don't require block. Okay. Block means I don't need if else block. That means this one. Either you can write this, you also need to remove this one, only this one need to remove. Okay, so you can write like this, and this will be working fine as well. You see, you have passed here 16, it is returning false. If you pass 18, it will be returning true. Okay, but this is not the completely optimized. If you want to optimize more, you can also do that. Return age greater than equal to 18. If you write only this line, this will be work with, this will also work fine. So comment out this one, and you see only this single line is enough to tackle all this code that has been written either here or here. Let's try check age. Sorry, age. I see a spelling mistake here, and you see it is returning true in case of 18. I'm making this one 16, and you see it is returning false. So you can see, so this one was the actual code and optimization level 1, you can say, and this is totally optimized, you see. So hope you guys have some idea how you can optimize this code. So this is not just in JS, you can also use the same thing in either in PHP or in JavaScript or in Java program also. Thank you for watching.